Okay,
Kicking
I'm
my...
done. Holy shit. First,
Told you
let's
this.
take care of the enemy, of the Bloodfiend, or whatever it's called.
Yeah, the Chief Bloodfiend is the additional quote-unquote enemy. But it's like more like a second boss.
For humor.
It is really curly for humor.
Oh man. I got the human queen.
No!
Ow.
Okay, 90% of the work's done.
Nice.
No, it's real. This 99% of this difficulty of this fight on the additional enemy is the fact that he's this absolute fucker of a demi-human demon chief is like in the middle.
Out of the way.
Meanwhile, whoa, Archer's frostbite be upon you.
Okay.
Fire! More fire!
More frostbite! More frostbite!
More fire! I am Beyblade.
Is she even frostbitten? I can't tell.
I cannot tell.
Holy shit. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm gonna heal.
He's shot her in the eye.
There we go. Fire!
So you're getting rid of my fucking frostbite stars. I've been applying frostbite. I've been
Oh,
applying
wait.
frostbite to her with
I
my
forgot.
spell and with my archers.
I apologize.
And I'm like, is she even frostbitten? Why is she not staying frostbitten? Turns out
Oh, wait.
one of you, several
Wait.
of you are fucking doing fire.
No, that's not me. I'm Fel, I'm not Magma.
Doesn't matter, it's any source of fire damage, right?
Alright.
Anyway, good job. I still got her, despite I think the fire explosion on the fight actually did some damage. I'm sorry. Anyway, welcome to Raid Nights, we're totally serious.
Oh, go to it. Until Transmog strips me of those raids.
I'm sorry. But you look good naked, so. Hey yo.
So you know, Doc's glamour is like absolutely spazzing out of existence for me. Like, 0.1 second he's wearing his jester fit, 0.1 second he's wearing the dancer outfit. It's like
Yeah, for me too.
Yeah, same.
Alright, fellas. Is it gay to look at another man's ass because Seamless made you?
Yeah.
it now? Okay,
Raps
I'm
the-
at 296.
Yeah, Flores
Nope.
Texas Dragon Bolt